How often do things go exactly as you planned? Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. And today I want to talk with you a little bit about how often things go according to plan, or really how often they don't go according to plan. How many of us have had these perfect weeks planned out and something comes up and changes and ruins it? Our plans very, very rarely ever go according to plan. They never follow through exactly what we think. But more often what happens is they change. So we'll stop and think about this for a second. If we know it's a high likelihood of things changing, that plans rarely happen, do we plan on things going wrong? Like, why not? We know that things have a high likelihood of something going wrong, and yet most of us never plan on things going wrong. That's what I'm talking to you about, building in margin. So when things go wrong, how do we feel? I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel anxious or nervous or frustrated, and I'm gonna be willing to bet those probably aren't very productive feelings. I don't know how productive you are when you're anxious, nervous, or frustrated. I'm not. I may tend to shut down sometimes when you get anxious or nervous or frustrated. And guys, if we know we shut down on those times, it's probably not very healthy. So what do we do? How do we get in front of it? This is something that I learned a long time ago and have implemented in a couple different areas in my life that's really help reduce the anxiety, the nervousness, and frustration when things don't go according to plan. Guys, that's margin. I love having margin built in. First off, let's talk about your schedule. How many times do we have a jam-packed schedule and some client runs late and now everything else is thrown off? So I love building in margin time every day and also during the week. If I have meetings from 9 and 1 at 10, I might have a 30-minute margin time window in there in case something goes ahead or beyond, or something pops up, or the phone rings, we got to take care of something right away, right? What do we know? Things always pop up. If I have that margin time built in, I'm not frustrated when that happens, or if I'm behind or running behind. We're feeling good still going into that next meeting. Now that also works with your finances. How many of us are in real estate and we planned on having 2 or 3 or 4 closings next month, and all of a sudden one of them got pushed or delayed, right? Something came up. Guys, we know what happens. And so if we have margin in our finances as well, that also helps us take away that anxiety and that frustration and that nervousness and, gosh, guys, and that commission route that none of us want to have, right? And so it helps us still deliver that high level of service without rocking the boat. I don't know about you, but I really enjoy not feeling anxious or frustrated or nervous all the darn time and really stressed out. I like to not be stressed out. And so when things go wrong, we expect them, we've already planned on it, and it's not a big deal. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.